So how to get a Wise card for free. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can get a free Wise card when signing up to Wise. So in order to get a free physical Wise card, you're going to need to create a Wise account using a referral link. So just as a disclaimer, this method only works if you haven't got a Wise account, as one of the offers they do is they provide you a free Wise card when you sign up with a referral link. But moving on, if you click the link below in the description, it will take you to this web page here, which is my own referral link, and you can go ahead and use it to claim your free Wise card. But then once you're on this web page here, you simply just want to go ahead and enter your email address from here. And then once you've entered your email address, you can go ahead and select claim your gift. Then once you've selected claim your gift, you'll then just need to input the type of account you want. So you can either go with personal or business. And then once you've done that, it will then just ask you a string of questions when setting up your Wise account. So you just want to go ahead and answer everything from there. If you would like a more in-depth video that shows you the step-by-step process to creating a Wise account, I've made a separate video on that. So I'll be sure to leave a link below in the description if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Wise account using the same method that gives you the free physical card. But once you've signed up, you should come across this page here, and right here you should be able to go ahead and view your physical card, and it should be sent to the address that you inputted within a few working days, and it is as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.